Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we are going to see how to create a GitHub account. In your browser, type GitHub and choose the official github.com site. In the Sign Up email text box, enter your email ID to create an account. Confirm your email ID. Next, enter a strong password. After that, press Continue button. Choose some username for your GitHub account. Press Y if you want to receive product mails, else press N. There is a small puzzle or CAPTCHA, so let's finish it. Next is the verification step. Please check your email ID for verification code and apply it. Now, answer the general questions. You can choose the tools you need or the reason you need to use GitHub via the checkbox. I don't know how many of you know this. GitHub has paid plan too. Choose free for now. Hooray! Your GitHub account is ready for use. Now create a repository. Repository is important, so you can create a space in your account to access specific file. Copy the link and paste it into the new tab. This is your GitHub repository homepage, or this is the page you will share with your team in case they need to access your project. Now, we successfully created a GitHub account and created a repository. Next, let's quickly create a new file. I will also show you how to upload a file. Note that GitHub only allow you to upload till 25 megabytes. And now we successfully created a file and uploaded a file in our own repository. If you guys need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me via my email ID. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in another awesome video.